guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a video for you guys about expectations when you're at home as a single, well, not a single mom, but as a homeschooling mom or just a stay-at-home mom. And I decided to make this video because I know like a lot of people ask me a lot of questions about like how do you do it? How is it working being at home with your children? Don't you miss your colleague? Are you bored? People ask me so many questions. Aren't your kids driving you crazy? Aren't you isolated? Aren't you lonely? People ask me a lot of questions. So I decide to make a video and address this. Now, I also talk to other people who is at home, other moms, and they say, oh, the house is a disaster, it's a mess, and they can't get things cleaned up, and they just feel hopeless. So let's get into the video. So first of all, I want to say, you as a woman should feel amazing that you're at home with your child or with your children. And guys, this is a new glasses, and it just keeps falling off my face, so I gotta go fix it. So you should be happy and feel very rewarded that you have the opportunity to be at home with your children. So that's the first thing. It's a blessing. It's like you're a great support system at home. When your child comes home, you're there. And if your child is not going to school as yet, or if you're a homeschooling mom, you're there supporting your child. You're the friendly face that your child sees, and you're just there, you know, hugging your child, just being that presence, that loving presence for your child. Today's video is about stay-at-home moms, homeschooling moms who just feel like, oh, I can't do anything right. My house is a mess. My kids are running around making noise. My living room look like if a bomb exploded or a tornado just landed down in it. My kitchen is a mess. Dishes are everywhere. Pots are on the stove. I'm still in my nightgown or in my bathrobe, and I just feel like, I don't know, I can't get anything done. And you're just feeling like hopeless, or you're feeling down, or you're feeling isolated, or anything like that. This video is for you. Now, I am making this video because many people ask me this question: how do you do it? Do you like homeschooling? Do you miss your work? Do you miss teaching and everything like that? And the answer is no, no, no. I don't miss anything. The best thing I did was staying at home with my 2 children. Now I have 5 children, and 3 is already adults, and they're still at home, but they're working and have jobs and careers. And then I have a 16-year-old who is in high school, is in the last year of high school. And then I have 2 small children, 10 and 2. So yes, I should have been home since I had my 3rd child, because he never wanted to go to school. He always wanted to stay at home, and he wanted me to teach him at home. But I guess at that time I wasn't ready for that yet. But it's the best thing I've ever did, and I'm loving it. I mean, I love teaching and I love being in the classroom, but just being at home with my children, it just brings me so much more joy than anything else. So is it stressful? Yes, it is. It's not like a walk in the park with your dog, okay, and you enjoying the sunshine or anything like that. No, it's not. Some days it's just like, I want to pull my hair out. Okay, and I'm being serious. I'm like, you know, some days I'm like, oh my goodness, is my child gonna calm down? Is she ever gonna do what I tell her? Or some days she just want to play around. She just want to play. Every activity we do, it's a playing around. She runs around me. She goes through my legs. She just runs around the house. I have to go catch her. You know, she's just been silly, right? And then some days she's awesome. She's coming to me, mommy, I'm ready, and she wants to learn, right? Some days my son get up and he's just perfect. He does his chores and everything is in place. And then some days he just drives me insane because nothing is done and he's slow. And I look at the time, I'm like, tick tock, like it's almost midday and we didn't get half of the work done that we wanted to do for the day. Okay, yeah, that does happen to me. Okay, so I'm telling you that. So when you look at other people's video online, it looks like everything is so perfect. That's not true. They go through hardship and all kind of things in their homeschooling process, or as a stay-at-home mom. It's not perfect. They're only showing you the perfect part of it. They're only filming the perfect part. Like right now, okay, it's almost 3 o'clock in the afternoon, right? I was in my bathrobe, in my nightgown, okay, from since I woke up this morning, from early wee morning. Okay, I was up early. I was working. I did some work on my computer. I did some work for my business, and I did many things. But my dishes are in the sink. They're not washed. My living room is clean, but the other parts of my house is a mess. My laundry is not folded. I just made up my bed at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, right? Because I was doing 101 things. My kitchen is not perfect. Okay, I still have to go wash my dishes. I still have to tidy up my kitchen. My kitchen table is packed with all kind of books that we're homeschooling with, and all kind of stuff, right? But at least I have some sanity today. I'm like, oh, my living room is okay. I can go sit there by the window and read to my child or to my kids or something, right? I didn't even take a shower when I woke up early this morning because I didn't have the time for it, right? I did my laundry yesterday, and I have it in the hallway inside the basket. They're not put away and they're not folded, and I have to get to that. So I'm just telling you the reality of being an at-home mom and what happens, right? So, but you know what? I'm like, oh, I gotta get to the laundry. I gotta get to that. I have to package products. I gotta do this. I gotta do that, right? Yeah, I'm gonna get to it, but it's not perfect. All the laundry is not packed away. All the products are not on the shelf and they're not packed and ready to go and stuff like that, okay? I didn't take a shower until like 2:45 today, right? I just washed my hair. Actually, my hair is still wet, dripping wet, right? My kids are, and I'm sitting on upstairs in my kids' bedroom, see, next to the lamp, on top of the table, close to the window, so I can shoot this video because I have a few minutes of quiet. It's my son's, he's doing his quiet book right now, and my daughter has to turn on the computer so she can watch a few educational programs, so they're sitting there quietly. So I get this few minutes and I decide to do a video. First, I wash my hair and change my clothes, come out of my nightgown and stuff, and then I wash my hair and take a long shower. And now I'm sitting here making this video, and they have a next 15 or 20 minutes, and then I'll go back to my children, right? But I still have the laundry to do, and I still have my kitchen to clean, put dishes in the dishwasher or wash them. I still have my 5 of laundry to fold up. Actually, I have 3 upstairs, I have 2 downstairs in the machine to wash, and I still have products to pack, right? And orders to be shipped. You know what I mean? And I still have to clean my kitchen and clean my stove and everything else. And I still have to cook dinner for my family and my husband. So you see what I mean? It's perfect, right? So you stay-at-home moms or homeschooling moms who are at home, like, be encouraged. Don't go on social media and watching people's videos and their houses and saying, oh, they're so perfect. Oh, the living room looks so awesome. Oh, the kitchen is so clean. Oh, the kids are so quiet doing their homeschooling, blah, blah, blah. Oh, I feel like a failure. Oh my goodness. Stop. Okay? Stop comparing yourself with other people. Stop trying to be like another person. Nobody's perfect. Everybody fall down. Everybody make mistakes. All you have to do is get up again. Stop making so much high expectations for yourself as a mom during the day. Don't put like 20 things on your list during the day to do. You're not gonna get to do all that 20 things. It's just unrealistic, okay? And you know what? Stay away from social media, period, as a mom. Okay, just stay away from social media unless it's something really, I don't know, you're doing some research on something or whatever. Stop flipping through people's pages and see what they're doing. Oh, she got some new furniture. Oh, this is so perfect. Whatever. And guys, I keep fixing my glasses because they keep falling off my face. But stop going through social media, because really that's going to affect you, right? Because you're looking at other people and their perfection and you're trying to compare yourself to them. The person that you watching, maybe they have a maid coming in and clean their house, but they don't tell you that. Maybe they have somebody who watches their children for them when they're making videos, but they don't tell you that. They don't, because they don't film that in the video, right? You don't get to see that part. all you see is the perfection of the video that is filmed that day. So be encouraged. If your dishes are not washed, so what? If your laundry is not full, so what? If you're trying to run around, so what? If it's so noisy, so what? That's what comes with being a stay-at-home mom or homeschooling mom. That's what comes with it. You know what I mean? So stop comparing yourself. If you didn't comb your hair until noon, forget it. Nobody's gonna care or watch. Okay? Stop trying to be perfect and trying to have an image. Stop. Right? I watched a video the other day about somebody who have, I think it was 10 kids or something, and the house is like perfect. Right? Perfect. Like, I'm saying to myself, are you kidding me? I have one 2-year-old, and it's impossible for your house to be perfect like that. Okay? I'm telling you, impossible. Okay? Unless they have a specific room that they go and play in with all their toys and something like that. It's just impossible for your house to be like that. So that house was actually cleaned and prepared before the video was done. Okay? So I'm not fooled by that. But I know a lot of you is I know it's maybe fooled or don't know better or something like that, that this is not real life. What I'm showing you here is real life. I'm sitting on my son's desk in his room filming this video, and my kids are downstairs quietly, and I close the door. Okay, this is real life. Okay, real life is yesterday I washed my kids' bedding, and I didn't get a chance to put it on because I had so much to do. This is real life. Right now, my child doesn't have his blanket or his comforter on the bed. He slept with another comforter on the bed last night because his is not ready to put on his bed yet because his wasn't completely dried. Okay, so I had to give him one that we keep for extras. Okay, and so is my daughter, both of them. Okay, this is reality. Okay, so don't be watching people's house with like, oh, kid's room is perfectly clean, it's perfectly made, all the bedding is on, everything is da-da-da-da. Stop. It's not perfect. It's not. There's a night when my kids go to bed, then I get everything else done. I tidy up the living room, the kitchen, everywhere else. That's a disaster. I tidy it up, I clean everything up, I sweep, I clean the bathrooms, everything like that. Or before they wake up, I do those stuff, right? But once they're up, honestly, most of the time, it's not perfect, and sometimes it's chaotic. So what? So just be encouraged. You're doing a fantastic job being at home with your child or your children. The best learning that your child can get is from you. Okay, and I'm telling you that for a fact. From you. You know your child or your children the best. Nobody else can know your child or your children as you do. Any mother who is at home with their children, it's a great opportunity. A great, amazing, it's the best thing that could ever happen to you. So be encouraged by that, okay? Switch off the social media, okay? And don't go there, okay? Because it's not reality, okay? It's not reality. And that's a true fact about it, okay? It's not reality, right? And enough reality is, I see a lot of moms who are perfectly made up and everything like that in their videos. Look, I don't know when you get the time to do your makeup so perfect. I mean, it looks great. I'm not bashing anybody here, and I don't want to do that because that's not who I am. It looks beautiful. It looks nice. I'm not a makeup person. I just love my lipstick, my purple lipstick. That's what I love. But I don't think I would even have the time to put makeup on, honestly. I just go swoop swap with my lipstick and I'm done. I don't think I'll have time to put powder and all kind of stuff on my face because I just don't have the time for it. It's like I'm still in my bed at 6:30 doing work on my computer, checking my site for orders and stuff like that, or doing my prayers, or writing my book, and my daughter is up, right? And then she comes to bed with me and she's laying there. So if she's up by 6 or 6:30, when would I have time to go do makeup? Because in the next half an hour, she lays there for 20-30 minutes for the most. She lays there, she's gonna want to get up and do something, and I gotta get up. Okay, so I don't have that extra time. But if you do, good for you. If you have a good scheduling and if you plan and everything like that, that's great. Perfect for you. But to the moms who feel like if they're going nuts, I just want to tell you, we all go nuts. Okay, our house are all crazy too. It's not only yours. Okay, so just let me give you a few tips to help you to feel like normal. Okay, you're normal, I'm just saying. We'll just make you feel a little bit better, to feel like you're normal. So first of all, stop stressing about the house and everything like that, okay? If your husband or your spouse or whatever doesn't understand that that what comes with small children and having little ones, well, I don't know what to tell you, because that comes with the territory, okay? And I hope they're understanding. Number 2, stay away from social media. Stop comparing yourself with other people, right? You're the best mom that you can be, and you're doing the best that you can, okay? Number 3, just plan ahead. Plan ahead. Have your meals, have a meal plan, have a schedule plan, so you can get some very basic things done, right? Get up earlier, right? In the night before you go to bed, try to get some cleaning done and stuff like that. So have a day set aside, maybe one day where you don't cook. You're gonna have some pre-planned meals, and you can just take something out of the freezer that you prepared beforehand, and then you can use that for your meal that night. So just pre-plan, okay? So yeah, so that's my video, guys, and I will see you in the next one. And I live out way out in the country. I see somebody out in my yard. I think either they lost or something, so I gotta go downstairs and see who they are and point them in the right direction. So ladies, be encouraged, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.